Hello everybody, Vince Condella, Chief Meteorologist with Fox 6 in Milwaukee. Thanks for checking in with my video weather notes. We're recording this on Thursday afternoon, January 21st, 2010. This has been a week with some strong storms in the southern U.S. Southern California with flooding problems, heavy rains, mudslides, even into Arizona with some big snows and rains, severe weather in Texas, Louisiana, and the Gulf Coast. The southern jet stream, very active, which is classic for an El Nino year. Abnormal warming of the equatorial Pacific Ocean strengthens that southern jet stream. For us, the next thing we have to watch for is the potential for some rain coming up on Saturday and Saturday night. And one of the things we use for that are computer models as well as satellite and radar. The thing about our numerical prediction models is that they do a pretty good job at simulating the atmosphere. They use mathematical equations to simulate how the atmosphere will change over the next few days. They actually use mathematical equations that simulate the laws of physics and fluid dynamics, because the atmosphere is treated as if it's a fluid, not a fluid in water, but in this case, a fluid of air. The computer models are great, but they don't substitute for the human itself. Keep in mind that when it comes to putting together a forecast, the ultimate is for a mix between the human and the computer. In other words, each meteorologist really needs to use his or her intuitive knowledge of the atmosphere and what they've learned, and also their experience in forecasting, to work with the computer models to put together the final forecast. If I just went out and simply followed everything that the computer models said, and we have several different computer models that we look at to help us forecast, that would not be an accurate way to forecast, because certain computer models use assumptions and mathematical equations different from others, and there are different assumptions with each of these models, different grid spacing and resolution, and so on. So the best way to forecast is for me as a meteorologist to use my experience in concert with what the computers tell me as the final solution, and that's really the best way to come up with a forecast. You want the human and the machine to mix together to formulate the best future forecast. Hope to see you on Fox 6, of course, on our newscast, or anytime online here at our website. Remember, just click on our weather tab and go to our one-click weather page for our latest forecasts and satellite and radar images. Hope to see you online or on the air.